Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see a new chapter, that is algebra. Okay. In our earlier classes, we have learnt about constants, variables, like terms, unlike terms, coefficients, and numerical and algebraic expression. Coefficient, we have seen numerical coefficient and coefficient. Okay. And also we have studied to add and subtract algebraic expression. We shall recall. Okay. First question. Write the number of terms. How many terms in the first one? X plus y plus z minus xy z. How many terms in the first one? Yes, 4 terms. Here it is 4 terms. Okay. The second one, m square, n square, c square. How many terms in this? Is it 3 terms? No. It is 1 term. Here it is 1 term. Okay. Identify the numerical coefficient of each term. Numerical coefficient means we have to say the number. Okay. The numerical coefficient of 2x square is, yes, 2. The numerical coefficient of minus 5xy is equal to, yes, minus 5. Then numerical coefficient of 6y square is 6. Okay. The numerical coefficient of 7x is 7. Okay. Then numerical coefficient of minus 10y is minus 10. Okay. The numerical coefficient of 9. Here only 9, constant term, isn't it? So here the numerical coefficient is 9. Okay. Now we shall add 2x, 6y and 9x minus 2y. Okay. Here, which are the like terms here? 2x plus 6y plus 9y minus 2y. Isn't it? Now, this 9x here, isn't it? Okay. 2x and 9x are like terms here. Okay. So, we can write together. So 2x plus 9x plus 6y minus 2y. 6y and 2y are like terms. Okay. If we add 9 and 2, 9 plus 2, yes, 11x. Plus, because the bigger number sign is plus, isn't it? 6y minus 2y. 6 minus 2, yes, 4y. So 11x plus 4y is the answer for this after adding. Okay. Then simplify. 5x cube y cube minus 3x square y square plus xy plus 7 plus 2xy plus x cube y cube minus 5 plus x 2x square y square. Okay. Now we shall add this. That is a simplification. Okay. 5x cube y cube, here plus, so no need to multiply anything here. The plus sign will be plus, minus sign will be minus. So here the like term is plus x cube y cube. We write the like terms together. Here 3 minus 3x square y square. Here also one x square y square have. So plus 2x square y square. Okay, then xy plus xy. Here also plus 2xy. Okay. Then next 7 is a constant, isn't it? Plus 7 minus 5 here. Okay. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. We have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. We have written the like terms together. Now simplify. Here 1, isn't it? Nothing is here means here we have 1. So 5 plus 1, 6x cube y cube minus 3x square y square plus 2x square y square. 3 minus 2, 1. So bigger number is minus. So minus x square y square. Okay. Then here 1xy plus 2xy plus 3xy. Okay. 7 minus 5 is plus 2. So the answer is 6x cube y cube minus x square y square plus 3xy plus 2. Okay. Now we shall subtract one sum. 6a square minus 5ab plus 3b square from 4a square minus 3ab plus b square. Now from means we have to take this one first. So 4a square minus 3ab plus b square minus, we have to subtract from this, we have to subtract this one. 6a square minus 5ab plus 3b square. Okay. Now you apply the minus to each term and remove the bracket. 4a square minus 3ab plus b square minus 6a square plus 5ab minus 3b square. Okay, minus and plus becomes minus. Minus and minus becomes plus. Here already we have plus. Plus and minus becomes minus. Okay. Now write the like terms together. 4a square minus 6a square minus 3ab plus 5ab. Okay. Plus b square minus 3b square. Now you subtract. Minus 2a square. Here bigger number sign is plus. So 2ab. Here bigger number is sign is minus. From 3 minus 1 is 2b square. Okay. Then the answer. Minus 2a square plus 2ab minus 2b square. This is the answer. Okay. Multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay. Here we know in the exponents we have seen that a power m into a power n equal to, yes, a power m plus n. So x square into x power 5, the answer is x power 2 plus 5, that is x power 7. If the bases are same, you have to add the powers or exponents. Okay. Multiplication of monomials. We are going to use this for the variables. Okay. If the length and breadth of a rectangular painting are 4xy cube and 3x square y, find its area. Solution. Area of a rectangular painting A is equal to L into B square units. Okay. Now the length L is 4xy cube and the breadth B is equal to 3x square y. Now L into B. So you are multiplying L into B. Now you multiply means you have to take the constants common. 4 into 3. Then x into x square. Then y cube into y. Now we are going to use here a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, isn't it? Now here 1 we have. So 1 plus 2 x power 3. Okay. Then here also 1 we have. So 3 plus 1 4. So 4 3s are 12. 12 x cube y power 4. Area. Area of the rectangular painting is equal to 12 x cube y power 4 square units. Okay. Then example 3.2. Find the product of 2x square y square, 3y square z and minus z square x cube. That is solution. 2x square y square into 3y square z into minus z square x cube. Okay. The constants are outside and multiplying. 2 into 3 into minus 1. Then remaining is x square, x cube we have, isn't it? So x square, x cube. Then y square, here y square. So y square, y square. Then z, z square. Okay. We are going to add using that formula. Which formula? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. Now minus 6x power 2 plus 3 into y power 2 plus 2 and z power 2 plus 1. So minus 6x power 5, y power 4, z power 3 is the answer. Okay. Next, exercise 3.1. Second question. Find the product of the terms. First one, you have to find the product of the given terms. That is minus 2mn into 2m square into minus 3mn. Now you take the constants outside. Minus 2 into 4 into minus 3. Then take the like terms together. So m square, here also m. Then n into n into n. Okay. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 24 m power 1 plus 2 plus 1. Then n power 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1. Okay. Now power 4 and n square. So 24 m power 4 into n square is the answer. Then third question. 3x square y into minus 3xy cube into x square y square. Okay, this is into. This is not x. Okay, into. Now you take the constants outside. 3 into minus 3. Okay, that is become minus 9. So now write the like terms together. X square, x and x square. Okay, then y cube, y square. Now you add using the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. Now minus 9, x power 2 plus 1 plus 2. Then y power 1 plus 3 plus 2. So minus 9, x power 5, y power 6. So the answer is minus 9, x power 5, y power 6. Then find if L is equal to 4pq square and B is equal to minus 3p square cube and H is equal to 2p cube q cube. Then find the value of L into B into H. You have to multiply these three. L into B into H is equal to 4pq square into minus 3p square cube into 2p cube q cube. Now take the constants. Outside 4 into minus 3 into 2 into you take the like terms together p square p cube then q square q cube. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 then q 2 plus 1 plus 3. The answer is 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 1 minus only. So you have to minus 24 p power 6 and q power 6. So this is the answer. Then example 3.3. Multiply 3x square y and 2x cube y cube minus 5x square y plus 9xy. Solution. 3x square y into this one. Now we have to multiply these two minus these two plus these two. Okay. That's why I have written 3x square y into 2x cube y cube minus 3x square y into 5x square y plus 3x square y into 9xy. Now using the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Using this formula you add all the like terms. Okay. So you take the constants also. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 5s are 15. Then 3 9s are 27. Now x square, x cube. So 2 plus 3. Y power 3. So 1 plus 3. Then x square, x square. So 2 plus 2. Y power 1. Here also y power 1. 1 plus 1. Here y x square and x 2 plus 1. Then y power 1, y power 1. Then y power 1 plus 1. So now the answer is 6 x power 5 y power 4 minus 15 x power 4 y square plus 27 x cube y square. So this is the answer. Today's homework is you have to complete this table in the book and take photo and send it to me. Now I shall explain how you have to multiply and write. Okay. Here they are given x power 4, isn't it? You have to multiply with this. So 2 into x square into x power 4, isn't it? So the answer is 2x power 6. Answer is here we have to multiply x power 4 and 2 into x square. So 2 x power 4 plus 2 6. So this is the answer. Okay, then you multiply x power 4 with minus 2xy. So minus 2 x power here 1, here 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 5 y. Here no y. So you keep y itself. The next x power 4 into x power 4. X power 4 plus 4 8. Okay, then y cube. No y here. So y cube. The next 2 into x power here 1 plus 4 5. X power 4 5 y is set. No y is set. So we are writing y is set. Here what you have to write here? Here x power 4 plus 1 5, then z square. Okay, what will come here? You have to calculate this. Here this they are given as minus 10 xy square z cube, isn't it? So using this you see 2 into here what will come? Minus 10, no. So 2 into minus 5. Here it will come as minus 5. Okay, minus 5 x y square is set. Have you understood? Okay. Here already I have filled up this. I'll take photo and give us homework. You have to solve, and after solving take photo and send it to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.